In front of me I've got Mitsubishi Outlander. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, firstly park your car on flat surface and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Next, lift up the hood and find engine oil level dipstick. Remove it and clean it. Next, place it back. Remove it, and now you can find engine oil level on the markings right here. The level should be between those two dots. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.